Hi everyone, welcome back to samaartmedia. Today we are going to see how to paint rainy day walking at evening. The first step, I am making raindrops. I am using round brush size 4 and picking some titanium white mixed with little bit of water and make the raindrops like this. And using stencil brush making the raindrops falling in the street light background. Next, using my paletting knife for raindrops reflection. Next step is making greenish effect. I am using scurfy brush to make greenish effect like grass and trees around the scenery and picking some deep green to the first shade. Next brilliant yellow green to the second shade of the greenish effect. You can use sponge or stencil brushes instead of scurfy brush. I am using black canvas for this painting. The third step is making a street lamp. I am using brown and titanium white brush sizes 4 for making street lamp. After finishing the street lamp, we are going to make a child is walking on the street under the street lamp background. Now the painting is ready. Bring out your hidden treasure of imaginations in you as painting. Use your imaginations. Achieve the picture what you want. I meet you in my next painting. Thanks for watching.